Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little craft room tour, so let's go ahead and get into it. The door here, I have a lot of bows I've made on display. Some of these I still need to sew. I mean, they're almost done. It's just this middle section right here needs to be stitched together. And then I have these curtains I found at the thrift store. I loved the trim on them and the colors, and I was gonna try and make a corset with them. There's two of them. I was trying to make a Renaissance outfit for the Ren Fair that comes every year in the spring here in Texas. So I'm thinking about coming up with a little outfit and making it with this, and then using these little trimmings on the corset. I have my little clipboard here. It's got like thank you notes from people I've worked with. I do hair and makeup for weddings as well, so I get a lot of thank you cards from that. And then this is a little sign that one of my clients made for me when I had my own suite. I have a pin board of just all the things I love or places I've been to. So yeah. Then here is my mirror. Okay, I had to look at the back of it. I got it from World Market, and this was years ago. But I have it in here because this is also kind of like a little beauty room where I take clients out of, or I can just do my own hair and makeup here. I have my hair station. This is where I keep all my tools. It's kind of messy right now. And then I have my makeup brushes that I need to clean. And then here is my closet. This is where I hang up a lot of my patterns, and just other like costumes. Just storage up there. I still have a lot of like little packaging products up there and display products from when I used to do a lot of craft fairs. So there's a lot of that up there. And then I have down here is where it's kind of a mix. There's gift wrap. This is a backdrop, like one of those paper rolls for like a photo studio. I ordered one of those because I thought I was going to use those or use it for YouTube videos, and I really haven't used it. I actually have a pop-up fabric backdrop that's like one side is white, one side is black, and I use that if I really need it, but I don't really use it anymore. I have more bows, and then I have some fabric that I got from the thrift store. I'm going to make some things with. I think I'm going to make Bible covers with this, and then some outfits with this. Then I have down here is like my little storage for makeup and hair things, and then some shipping stuff for my Etsy shop. Oh, I'm falling over. I'm hanging up some of my bags. I have so many bags. This is from the company that I work with. They gave us this big tote bag. This is one I made, and yeah, I love it. And then back here, I have all my tripods. I have my little pin board, which is kind of empty. I need some more of these little like holders and brackets and stuff. This is from IKEA, so I just need to get some more so I can hang up all my tools and like organize it a little bit better. And then I have like my Cricut mats and my Cricut tools. Oh, here is a vest I'm in the process of making. I made it out of curtains from the thrift store. It was like this jean material, so I wanted to make a vest out of it. So it's a work in progress. The fit is a little weird, so I have to adjust it, and then I have to get bias tape for the sleeves. And then this is my makeup kit, or these are my makeup kits in here. And then over here, these are all like my paper, stationery, stickers, paints, just anything crafty is in here. And then up here, I have some prints. I have my Bible cover that I made. This is my speaker and my iPad for whenever I want to play music. And then up here, these are my maternity pictures. It's in a booklet and there's several pictures in there. A little bear I made out of my daughter's clothes for when she was 1 year old. Another one of my bows, and then these are just various artists that I have displayed on here. This actually is a painting I did, and then this is a painting that, or a drawing that my husband did. So we're very artsy. And then down here, I got this from IKEA as well, and this top is from IKEA. It's not attached, so it's kind of dangerous. But I have all kinds of stuff in here. This is a mess, but this has like my paper cutter. It's got like party supplies and I don't know, just random stuff in here. Paints. I have my embroidery stuff in here. I have some cardboard, paper, different colors in there. Tissue paper in here. It's filled, some fabric is in here as well. And then I have a lot of my vinyl stuff for my Cricut. I have some basting spray for when I'm quilting. Have wax seals in here. Some more stuff for my Cricut, some transfer paper, and some more. I have interfacing down here. And here, this one's kind of empty, but this one's just got some specialty paper for my Cricut. Just making all kinds of stuff. And then I have like my rulers are kind of just thrown everywhere. I have my daughter's Magna-Tiles that she has left in here. And then I have some fabric, a lot of fabric. There's a lot of different projects I want to make and things I want to add to my shop, so those are in progress. This is another bin with fabric and just random things. I have stuffing for when I make teddy bears. And then there is some more batting for when I'm quilting or when I'm stuffing my bows, because I use it for bows as well. Here's another one about bows. And then this is just my little bookshelf. It has my Cricut in there, some more fabric. I had a lot of books displayed, but I moved those to my bedroom because we got a bookshelf. So I just have my degrees over here, or my diploma, my fashion degree. And then I have just some like watercolor, sewing books, things like that. And then I have more. These are like my Notion, so these are a lot of interfacing. I have bias tape, and these are just scraps of fabric that I can use for like quilting or just like little projects. And then up here, these are all my wigs. So this actually is a mannequin, so I use this whenever I want to just practice hairstyles and things like that. But the other ones, those are all different wigs that I've used for Halloween or just for fun. I like to dress up and be in theme, so I have a collection of wigs. I have some more that I don't have displayed. They're like in my closet, so I have quite a few. And then here's another bow, and then I made like this little one. And then here, I want to hang this up, but I found these patterns from the thrift store. They were only $1, which is crazy. So I have some cool patterns, some skirts, and a little nightie or kids levy. Some more pant patterns. I want to learn how to pattern make, so hopefully that will help me kind of learn how to do it. Okay. Then, in here. Okay. Then this in here. This fabric is actually a fabric I used to cover my table when I did craft markets, but now I'm actually using it to make an apron for my husband, so that's on the agenda. This is a little thread case that my husband's this is a third case that my husband's grandma gave to me, and it has so many colors. I'm obsessed. These are my shipping boxes for my bows for my Etsy shop. Then in here I have like my sketchbooks. I have just random like pens and glue, glitter, and then down here I have all my hair stuff for when I do hair. I actually only do color on my aunt and my cousin. The rest of my hair and makeup is just styling for weddings. I used to do color and cut and all of that, but I gave that up because I want to focus on the styling aspect and also sewing and my Etsy business and things like that. Up here, this is kind of a mess. All these fabrics I got from the thrift store. I want to make a dress out of this. It's so cute. It's like a floral fabric. This I want to make a skirt out of. It's like a really pretty flowy pink fabric. This one, I actually already made an apron out of it. I want to make one for my daughter. Then here I have all of my serger thread. This was given to me also by my husband's grandma. She was getting rid of a lot of her sewing things, and I'm so grateful that she gave me that along with this serger, which I love. Then I have just some more notions. This is where I'll have all my sewing feet and like little, what are they called? All this stuff. I can't think of zipper pulls and things like that. Then I have my sewing machine, my brother's sewing machine. I love it. I kind of wish I got one with embroidery, but this one does the job. So I like it. It has a lot of decorative stitches as well, but the common used ones are these two pretty much. It's kind of a mess in here. This I got from Joann's. Just some thread. This is like one of the best threads to use. Gutermann. Then I have all of my pens and pencils and scissors and pins. And then I actually have some paint brushes here because I just got finished painting a little banner for my daughter's second birthday. Then I kind of didn't really do an overview of the table, but I have my cutting mat. I wish I got a bigger one, or I need to get more because having only one is kind of annoying when I'm trying to cut like bigger pieces. And then I just have like my random tools. These are weights I made out of washers from Home Depot or Lowe's, can't remember, but I just stacked 3 of them, and then I hot glued them, and then I covered them with fabric. And I probably should have done it a different way because it's fraying, but it works and it does what it needs to do. I have my printer down there. That's where I print out all my patterns and just random things. So that is my craft room. So if you want to see more or in depth on different areas of the craft room, let me know. There's a lot of things that I'm going to be making and filming to add to my Etsy shop. So I will be hopefully filming that process and putting it on here so you can see everything that I'm adding to my shop. And then if I do any in-person markets, I will probably vlog those as well. So yeah, I'm excited and I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what else you want to see. Thank you for watching.